Namaskar. When we talk about a rag and when we refer, there is often diversity in opinions. Like for example, in Rag Gaud Malhar, you have some will say it is belonging to Kafi Thaat with Komal Gandhar and Komal Nishad. Some will say it is in Bilawal Thaat with Komal Nishad and inclusive of Shuddha Nishad also, while others will talk about it as Khamaj Thaat. Also, what we have to realize is that when we use the Shuddha Gandhar, it is more predominant in Khayal Gaiki. And if you use Komal Gandhar, generally, it leads to Dhrupad style of singing. It's a mixture of Rag Gaud as well as Rag Malhar. Now that Maharepa is the characteristic feature of this, this Malhar, be it Mia Malhar, or there's so many types of, in the monsoon season, these are generally sung. I tried to, while thinking about the swaras, perhaps there could be a blend of all these variations. At parts you may think it's sounding like Kafi, at parts you may think it is sounding like Bilawal. But I'm trying to focus more on the Bilawal swaras. And of course, innumerable, the great Pandits, the great Ustads, the great minstrels have sung Gaud Malhar. For me, it's only, an interesting aspect of self-learning, in the sense that am I able to understand the content of a raga and I'm able to deliver. Of course, the content is based on what I had previously learned from my previous guru, and she had given me the, it's a short khayal, actually. It's a much smaller khayal, which you can elaborate it. Even 2 lines can be elaborated for half an hour, 4 lines can be elaborated for 1 hour, it all depends. But as novices who are enjoying singing and who are learning more than, I think, the proficiency in singing, it is the learning at this stage, that there is a genre of music, and particularly Khayal Gaiki, and how in Hindustani classical system these so many ragas and so many thats have emanated. So it's the knowledge, as well as, of course, if you have a good voice, you can exercise it in the form of singing. So my humble pranams to all the gurus, and I hope you will enjoy listening to. So the words go as Barse Badariya Savan ki man bhavan ki, Savan mein umang gayu mure manwa, Jhanak suni hari avan ki, Umad ghumad chahu dishi se ayo, Damini dam ke jhar lavan ki, Nani nani boondan meha barse, Sheetal pavan suhavan ki. She's also added Meera ke Prabhu Giridhar Nagar, Ananda Mangala Gavan ki, because I think Meera hailed from the northern region, so Rajasthan, and from where most of the ragas also emanated. Thank you. Okay. बरस नन्नी नन्नी बूंदन में बरसे बरसे शीतल 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 पवन सुहावन की शीतल पवन सुहावन की उमड़ चंदिशी से आयो दामिनी दम के झरलावन की नन्नी नन्नी बूंदन नन्नी नन्नी बूंदन में बरसे शीतल पवन सुहावन की बरसे बदरिया सावन की रे ग मा बरस बदरिया बरस बदरिया मेरा के प्रभु गिरिधर नगर मेरा के प्रभु गिरिधर नगर आनंद मंगल गावन की आनंद मंगल गावन की आनंद मंगल गावन की मीरा के प्रभु गिरिधर नगर गिरिधर नगर मीरा के प्रभु गिरिधर नगर आनंद मंगल गावन की सरे sa re ga re pa ma ma sa re ga re pa ma ma da pa ma ma ga re ni da sa sa re ma re pa ma ma ga re ma da pa ga re ma da ga re ni re sa sa ni ba ma 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 ga re re sa ba बरस बदरिया सावन की मन भावन की बरस बदरिया सावन की मन भावन की बरस बदरिया